I'm fucking pregnant, mate. Breakfast! Overnight oats. I became that girl. 很臭 eh. No, it just smells like yogurt. Chai pudding. Look at this breakfast. Like, look at the chia pudding. So disgusting. Gonna have it with some banana. Wow, so ripe. Smells good. Okay, taste test. Let's try this shit. Not bad. That was really sweet. Simple recipe that you can do if you want to be a healthy queen. Okay guys, for lunch we're eating bak kut teh. This brand is the best brand, okay? This is the Bak Kut Teh Spices, the special taste. This is the best shit. Everything else is not as nice because this one's peppery. Okay, so I am gonna go for my run soon, but before that, I'm gonna prep for lunch. So lunch is basically brown rice with chicken and some sort of like gravy that I concocted with corn. It's super delicious. Basically, just chop some garlic, get some corn. I use the corn from a can, remove the bone from the chicken, pan fry it, and then you add in the garlic, and the sauce is basically soy sauce, oyster sauce, a bit of cooking wine, any kind, reduce that, and add in cornstarch, and it's like eggy. Functionality of a spoon.
Have a nice lion.
Done, guys. Beautiful. Wow. Wow. A bit salty. It's fucking hot. Pan fried chicken with veg. Yeah, man. Health is wealth. Krispy Kremes. Chonkers.
Krispy Kreme.
Wow, this is damn good. The mini donuts are damn good. Krispy Kreme plain is the best. My run in one donut. Yeah. Actually, I think my run less than this donut. Hi guys, post run, 4 kilometers in. Feel amazing. What a beautiful view. Sunny days. Hey guys, it's dinner time. I did like 2 hours of reading for my dissertation. What am I doing? I'm doing a performative of gender in reality TV. I'll show you. Come, I want to show off my work. Dun 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 dun. Wow. Damn. And my proposal is due like November 15th in 2 weeks. Oh, I'm so fucking screwed. What's for dinner? Bak Kut Teh. Oh shit. delicious, tasty, loving, nourishing.
Munching, munching, munching. Munching on your food. Boy.
Hey, sorry, I didn't record this because I was in a hurry, but it's basically like spinach with soy sauce, oyster sauce, and garlic. All you need to just fry the garlic, add spinach, add oyster sauce, add soy sauce, and it's done. Okay, it looks like shit, but it's satisfactory. It's not crazy delicious, but it's satisfactory. Gets the calories in. Not calories, fiber.
Wow, I love bak kut teh.
大家好，你们看我买流沙包。What is frozen in Chinese? 我可以吃10个，因为太好吃了。在这个家真的是很方便，因为我的朋友，亲爱的 Leslie，有一个 steamer. What is steamer in Chinese? Let me know in the comment section down below. 气喘8秒，8到10秒，人可以吃了，耶！很甜，鲜的味道不太 strong。好吃。Hey, good morning guys. I decided to not go to school because I was lazy, so I'm gonna make carbonara udon today. Sorry this eating vlog hasn't been very healthy, but it's like winter time, so I just want to eat like Korean food, so I'm gonna do some prep now. Guys, look at this! Udon carbonara, baby! Delicious! Okay guys, I'm gonna try it. I added some mushroom for extra flavor. Guys, this is damn good. Wow. Winter staples.
Oh, it's good. Don't know what else to say. You already said it.
Hey guys, it's currently 4 p.m. and I'm really bored. So I'm gonna make potato wedges for me to eat. Yeah, thank you. First up, you just need to chop all your potatoes. I literally just saw this recipe on TikTok and now I'm doing it. Here's what I'll put on the potatoes. Italian style herb, garlic granules, truffle salt, truffle oil, a bit of hot chili, and thyme. Guys, it looks so good, like Jesus. So, yes.
So good. Fucking hot though. Even Bowie wants some. Nope. Sorry.
Breakfast crepes.
Okay, let me try. I saw this recipe on TikTok. That's why I made it this morning. I'm going to the gym today, so gotta load up on this. Oh, it's super nice. I didn't have any green onions, but green onions would be super good for this. Hey friends, for lunch I just had pasta. It's very nice, pumpkin ravioli. It was delicious. I signed up for the gym yesterday, so I'm gonna go to the gym now. So first I have to get ready, but I'm fucking lazy. Oh my god, like there's barely any sun. I feel like energy is depleting from my body as we speak. Yeah, but I guess I should go to the gym, just get in, pump some iron. Honestly, I'm just gonna do the same thing. I'm just gonna deadlift, do some core because I have a weak core, work on my pull-ups. There's 3 things. That's what I usually do. The first exercise are weighted glute bridges, so I just try not to hyperextend my neck by locking it in. Second exercise is reverse pull-ups, so this was after not doing it for quite some time, so I just did a negative. So basically jump up and then slowly release down, but I haven't done it in a while, that's why I wasn't able to do it slowly. And lastly, I just did some deadlifts. Oh, avocado break. Homemade. Wow. Damn good, man. Hello guys, welcome back. Hello. Excuse me. I'm very lazy to vlog this cooking experience, but I'm gonna make mapo tofu. This was a super average. Don't follow this recipe. No rice though. Oh, I know why I never ate the Sichuan peppercorn. Guys, I got the Sichuan peppercorn, but I don't know how to break it. How?
A little longer than a few minutes later.
Too long, okay, never mind. Just eat without the mala. Mapo tofu without the mala. So sad. Just tofu. Guys, I'm fucking pregnant.
Update.
But chonkers, baby. My period is coming and I'm really craving butter chicken. However, I don't want to spend like money to buy groceries. So I think I'm gonna make bolognese because I have like everything in the house. So I'm just gonna get can of tomatoes. As you can tell, my face is swollen. Oh, new nails. So yeah, bolognese it is. Hey friends, so I already made this bolognese in my previous recipe, but cooking it again because got bacon. Hi guys, this is my bolognese. Thank you so much for watching today's video. This is my period cravings summed up. If you like it, remember to subscribe and like this video. And I'll see you next time.